The G major scale, as you guessed it, begins on G. So up to here, I'm going to put my thumb onto G. One new thing with this is we are going to have an F sharp. So prepare your fourth finger to be on that black key right after. So here, let me show you. Switch, sharp, 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 sharp to G. Okay, let's do that again. Get ready to switch or two. Bring in that left hand. Move your thumb back to G or left hand thumb to G. We're going to play with the same numbers. Our left hand, 2, prepare to be on that black key, F sharp. 1, 2, 3, tuck your thumb under. 5, thumb, turn your 3 over. Let's do that again. 2, 3, thumb under. 5, 1, cross the 3 over. 2, 1. To exercise number 3 on the second page, we're putting our thumb on G. 1, 2, 3, thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the sharp. Let's go down. Cross our 3 over. Left hand on the bass G. 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross the 3 over. And thumb under. 2,